A dash cam is practically a must-have today with all those horrible drivers out there.
Oh, shit.
But a good dash cam should have good video quality, be compact as to not block your windshield, and easy to use, especially when it comes to viewing and downloading videos. This is the Redtiger F17 Elite 3-channel dash cam. In this video, we're gonna find out if this thing is any good. Thanks to Redtiger for providing me the F17 Elite to review for you guys, the good and the bad. Links are in the description. So here's the quick rundown. The F17 Elite is a premium dash cam from Redtiger. The camera measures about 4.5 inches long, 2 inches wide, and has a 3-inch touchscreen with physical buttons located on the bottom and an integrated interior camera. It's a 3-channel camera, meaning it has 3 cameras. The front can record up to 4K resolution, the interior at 1080p, and the rear camera at 2.5K. Higher resolution matters here because higher resolution means the more details like license plates and faces can be visible. This camera also features the new Sony Starvis 2 image processor. This image processor is made to maximize video quality for dash cameras, especially in low light conditions, which we will see later in the video. There's also a few parking modes available only when you hardwire the camera with their hardwire kit. This kit is included if purchased from their website. The camera comes with a free 128GB memory card made for dash cameras, which is nice, and also an 18-month warranty. However, this goes up to 24 months if purchased from their website. The image quality during the day is superb. Everything is in really good color and the image is sharp. License plates are clear even at speed, and there are reflections within the windshield that I wish there was a polarizing filter for the camera.
It sound right, boys.
Now at night is a true test of a dash cam, and the F17 Elite surprised me here. Everything was well lit and clear, and even on streets where it was very dark, the F17 Elite had amazing video quality. Now I think there could be some improvements though for nighttime quality. Although license plates can be read in some situations, there were other situations where it was a little difficult to make out. These situations generally involved movement where cars were at speed, which can be difficult for many cameras at night though. The interior camera, despite being a low resolution, handled the low light situations very well and in color. Again, what you're seeing here is better than what your eyes will actually see, and it's almost like I have the lights on in the interior with how well it is lit. The rear also does pretty well in my opinion. Now my rear windshield is tinted and I was still able to read license plates.
It sound right, boys.
Sound right, boys. Sound
Overall, the camera is fairly easy to set up with a menu that is fairly intuitive. I didn't need to read any manuals to get it up and running, but they do provide a decent instruction manual with the camera if you need to refer to it. Viewing footage is pretty easy by either just popping the micro SD card into your computer or using the Redtiger app. Connecting to the app is easy as well. You turn on the Wi-Fi and then connect to it using your phone. The Wi-Fi offers 5G speed, so downloading or viewing videos is fairly quick. There are also voice controls for the camera, and they worked well when tested, but they do require you to memorize the exact voice commands. There is also an onboard GPS that can provide the location and speed of your vehicle if that's something you want, and a G sensor with standard, low, medium, and high sensitivity settings, as well as an offsetting. An optional but highly recommended accessory is the hardwire kit. As far as kits go, it's pretty complete. Comes with multiple tap-a-fuse connections to fit a wide variety of cars, and doesn't require any crimping to make the connections. The kit also has a screen that reads your battery voltage and switches for you to your set minimum voltage level before the camera shuts off to save battery. With the hardwire kit installed, you'll also gain access to parking mode in the menu to capture those bastards who try to mess with your car when it's parked, like thieves, bad parkers, or hit and runs. There are 4 modes to choose from. You have a G-sensor mode that will trigger on impact. Now, I only wish there was a way to adjust the sensitivity of the G-sensor independently for parking mode. I would want a low sensitivity while driving to avoid false alarms, but a very high sensitivity when parked to capture anyone that messes with my car. You then have 3 time-lapse modes of various durations: a 12-hour, a 24-hour, and a 48-hour. In these modes, the camera will record a time-lapse video for the designated time on all 3 cameras. So to review, here are the things that I like about the F17 Elite. Overall, the camera is easy to use, works well, and the image quality is great. But here are a few things I think could be improved. The screen and the integrated interior camera make the dash cam a little bit bulkier and somewhat limits where you can place the camera, especially if you have cameras or sensors used by your vehicle's collision avoidance systems, or if you don't want to obstruct any view of your windshield. The 10-second boot time, in my opinion, is on a bit on the longer side, and I wish it was closer to like 5 seconds or under. There are also reflections in the windshield during the day. Again, I wish they offered or included a CPL filter for the front camera. Lastly, I wish there was a motion sensor parking mode where the camera would start recording some sort of motion or have independently adjustable sensitivity for the parking G sensor. But again, overall, the Redtiger F17 Elite does all the important things well, and up against other competitors in the premium space is priced competitively, especially with the warranty and free SD card. So what do you guys think of the F17 Elite based on this review? And honestly, what's most important to you when it comes to choosing a dash cam? Let me know. Thanks for watching.